Matt Kohrs, welcome to the show. You've been talking a lot about AMC recently on your
Mhm.
YouTube channel, getting a ton of views from that. I would love to hear your thoughts on where AMC is going and what is your price prediction if you want to put a specific number on where you think it may go. I know it's a tough question because it's impossible to know for
Yeah.
sure, but I would love to hear your thoughts kind of on that.
So in this, we just need a little bit of background. So back in early January, mid-January, GameStop had a short interest of 140%, as in out of all the shares in existence, 1.4x of those were actually short against it. But when you're looking at the magnitude of the number, GameStop, GME, had less shares in existence. So higher percentage, but lower magnitude. Right now, AMC is kind of rocking in the realm of like, I mean, it's changing day to day, but it's just been kind of coasting just below 20%. And that estimation is more of like around 100 million shares that could potentially be betting against it. And once again, these are just the reported numbers that we know about. But like kind of with that as a foundation, it more so relates to the options market of when you have a bunch of these calls that go from out of the money to in the money. Market makers at a very high level have to hedge their own risk. So they start buying it. And we've seen incredible action on the options market. And it's not accounting for FOMO buying. Like even this, the fact that we're talking right now, it shows that the story is getting bigger and bigger. So people who haven't been hearing about AMC, that's another form of buying pressure. And then I would say the fourth one is more of naked shorting. And that's in a illegal practice where basically people are betting against AMC, but they never ever borrowed shares. So right there, the fact that they're not borrowed, they're not reported, which means we don't know how many exist. So between normal shorts, naked shorts, a gamma squeeze, and FOMO buying, right there, those are all incredibly powerful forms of buying that like it's just such a dynamic situation in and out. So with my viewers and like I guess the tip I would give to your viewers right now, you have to play day to day and like see what the market gives and just monitor those four things because it's a very dynamic situation. I do fully admit that right now, and I'm sure you've kind of seen this with Doge, but GameStop and AMC, in environments when you get such I guess volatile moves upward, it is fair to say that you're no longer playing in the realm of fundamentals or technicals. It's more of the crowd psychology of retail traders and also the hedge funds of when they're hitting their risk tolerance and pulling the ripcord. But right now, it's much more of a short-term momentum swing play. Every day, it's just touch and go because it feels like we're right on that breaking point. And if we hit a new all-time high, like around that 70 to 75 range, I think we're taking the gloves off and we're just going for a quick explosion above 100. So it's one of those things. It's really tough to put a time frame on it because we're just like that close to something major happening.
Yeah, that's one of the best things about these markets because you never really know when something crazy is going to happen. It makes it exciting, makes it fun, also nerve-wracking at times. But anyway,
Yeah.
thanks, Matt Kohrs, for coming on. You know where to find them, Matt Kohrs. If you have any final words, you're welcome to go right now.
Hey, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it being on this show. And whether you're in AMC, GME, or Doge, remember, we're just all diamond handing it till we get to the moon.
I like the sound of that. To the moon. And with that, we'll go ahead and close this out.